Good morning, and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video. And welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how the guys can fix this problem of network anomaly in Binance. So when you're facing this network and all the problem, basically you try to open your Binance on your website or on your phone is going to say please try again later. Or it's going to say network anomaly. And it keeps loading forever and ever and ever. So if you're facing the problem, then you guys are at the right video, because I'm going to be telling you multiple ways on how we guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's get into the video. Without any further ado, the first reason could be, as I said, or as Binance said, your internet. So make sure to check if your network connection is stable or fast enough to run Binance, because sometimes due to slow internet connection, your finance doesn't opens up. And it's basically Binance saying network anomalies, slow network. So check your network. And the other thing could be if Binance is under maintenance. So by maintenance, I mean finance sometimes repair their server. So we're trying to open Binance when they're repairing their servers, then it's not going to open up. Alright, so if it's on that time, the only thing you can do is wait. And the other thing is for the phone user of Binance. Make sure to keep your Binance app up to date, right? Because sometimes forget to update or buy in its app. And it keeps on sitting there unupdated for a long period of time, which leads to this problem called network anomaly. So make sure to update your Bindings app. And even after updating your Bindings app, if it still doesn't opens up, the next step. And the last step you can do is delete that Binance app, reinstall it again. After you do that, it should be fixed. For like the website user of binaries, you don't have to worry about it. And even after deleting and reinstalling your binaries didn't work. Now this step is for both Android user, iPhone user, and the desktop user by desktop. I mean like the browser user. Basically what you can do is turn on VPN and put that VPN to any country else than yours. So if you're living in China, you need to set it in USA. If you're living in USA, you need to set it in Canada. Just set the VPN in any other country and try to open our Binance. It should work right. So that's how we guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, everybody. See you guys my next video. Bye.